Today, I'll show you how to draw lines on Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file where you want to draw a line. Once the PDF is open, look for the comment tool. You may see it on the right side of the screen. If not, go to Tools, then choose Comment. When the comment toolbar opens, look for the drawing tools. Find the line tool. It usually looks like a diagonal line. Click the line tool. Now move your cursor to the place where you want the line to start. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag to where you want the line to end. Release the mouse button to place the line on the PDF. If you want the line to stay perfectly straight, hold Shift while drawing it. After drawing the line, click on it to select it. You can move it by dragging it. You can also resize or adjust it by dragging the endpoints. To change the line color, thickness, or style, right-click the line and choose Properties. You can choose a different color, make the line thicker, or change the line style. If you want an arrow instead of a plain line, check the line properties and choose an arrow start or arrow end. When the line looks correct, click outside it to finish. You can add more lines by selecting the line tool again and repeating the same steps. After you finish drawing, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original PDF unchanged, choose Save As and save a new copy. So, to keep it simple, open the PDF, go to Comment, choose the line tool, draw your line, adjust the color and thickness, then save the file. And that's how you draw lines on Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.